we are going to do one illustration, that is on for collection and payment on behalf of vendors, and the chapter name is acquisition of business and profit prior to incorporation. How the business is acquired and what are the terms regarding the debtors, regarding the creditors, that we are going to see in this illustration. So there are 2 points. When number 1 point is when the debtors and creditors, they are not recorded in the main books of the company. Second point is when they are incorporated in the books of vendor's book. In the books of vendor's book. So we will see all these things, how the company is getting commission on the debtor collection or what they are paying on the creditors. That everything we have to see. What should be the journal entry, what should be the account that we will see. Now see, in second case there will be suspense account. What there will be? Suspense account, that is the person who is the selling business. The person who sells the business. Now in the books of main company we have to record all the journal entry. For that we have to read nutshell. Now see, A Limited, who is acquiring the business of R, with the exception of book debt and trade liabilities. Book debt is sundry debtors and trade liability is sundry creditors. The company, however, agreed to collect his debt amounting to rupees 2 lakh and to pay his creditors 75,000 at a commission of 2% on the amount realized and 1% on the payment made. Both the responsibility the company is taking. Naturally, the company will take some commission on all the commission. How much debtor realized? 1,90,000 in all and 70,000 were paid to creditors in full settlement. The net amount of interest in favor of the vendor was put at rupees how much? 1,500. The next point is how much they have received? 1 lakh rupees equity share of rupees 100 is, but at the what rupees? 99 rupees. That means 99 multiplied by how much? 10,000 you will get 99. 99 multiplied by 1,000. How 1,000? 1 lakh divided by 100. You will get 1,000 equity share, that should be multiplied by 99, and the balance amount whatever is there in that particular account will be paid by cash. So this is all about the illustration. First entry should be what it should be. Bank. Now see, journal entry I will write over here. Bank account debit, when you are collecting the amount of what? Of business purchase. These are the entry in the books of company. Just remember this also. Now see, bank account debit to R's current account. What is R? R, who is the seller? Who is the lender? R's current. How much? 1,90,000. Because this much amount is realized from what? From debtors. So you will write the narration amount which is realized for what? Being amount realized from vendors debtors. Who is the vendor? R. So is it clear? First entry, or is there any doubt? Now the second entry, R's account debit to bank, whatever balance amount is there, that is paid in cash. So R's current account लिखा ना, to cash. Sorry, to bank. How much? 70,000 and 70,000. How you have got this 70,000? You should know about it. See, 70,000 you have got from where? From creditors. Why? Because they have collected 1,90,000 from debtors. The entry is there, and they have paid 70,000. So for payment, the entry will be R's current account debit to bank account, being the amount paid to the creditors. This much only you have to write in the narration. Next entry, commission. Commission, you are paying commission, you are receiving commission. What will be the R's current account debit to commission? Miss R is responsible to pay the commission on how much? 1,90,000. So R's current account will be debited. What it will be? Debited. Which how much amount you have to calculate the 2% what amount? Just tell me. On 1,90,000. Am I right? 2% on 1,90,000. How much you will get? Just calculate. Calculate on your notebook. 1,90,000 multiplied by 2%. I think it will come 3,800 or 38,000. Just see. How much is this coming? 3,800. 3,800. Now see. And 1% on 70,000. That will come, I think, 700. So two commissions are there. One is 3,800. How it has come? 2% on what? 1,90,000. How much it is? 3,800 for 70,000. How much it is? 1% is 700. 700 plus 3,800. How much is the amount? 4,500. To what? To commission account. Now you can write all details in narration, whatever we have calculated. Am I right? Yes. Have you got this entry also? Yes. Next, what will happen? Now ask current account how much? It is 1,17,000. Now see how it has come. You have to open the current account. Then only you will come to know how you have got the balance amount. That is 99,000. You already know how we have got 99,000. That is for 1 lakh, how much 100 rupees value, but how much they are giving? 99. So 99, 1,000, 1 lakh divided by 100, 1,000 share multiplied by 99. So when we will open the account, we will come to know how we have got the last journal entries amount. That we will do afterwards. Why? Because see, 99,000, 1 lakh was here, full amount. 1 lakh minus 99,000, how much is the discount? 1,000 is the discount. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Right? Now you can do entry without opening that because I have already explained you. Now see, what should be the journal entry? Just see, ask current account, because he has promised to give how much? He has promised to give 1 lakh, I think, है ना? 1 lakh he has given. 1,17,000. How? 1 lakh plus 17,000. How you have got this 17,000? For that, naturally you have to open the account. I think from here only you will get 1,17,000. Am I right or not? So let us do the account. See how by when 1,90,000 I have already explained you. This 1,500 interest. See, 1,500 interest, is there anything? 1,500 interest already given. The net amount of interest in favor of the vendor was put at what rupees? 1,500. So 1,500 will come over here by interest. When you will add, you will get this much amount. Out of this, how much you are paying to your creditor? 70,000. To commission 4,500. And then this 99,000. How this 99,000 has come? 1 lakh divided by 100, 1,000 share, and he is issuing at rupees 99. So 99,000. The balance amount. This is your balancing figure. Balance amount is paid in cash. Now we can pass the journal entry. Ask current account debit. How much? 1,17,000. And discount. Am I right?
Yes.
Discount on issue of shares. How much? It is 1,000. What you will write over here? Equity share. Capital account. How much? 99,000. And to bank or cash. Am I right? In bank or cash, how much you will write? Here 8,000. Bank लिखा है कि cash?
Bank.
Actually,
Equity share 1 lakh है.
हाँ?
Equity share 1 lakh है. Equity से 99.
अच्छा, equity share में कितना है? 1 lakh. Very good. 1 lakh. Very good. Okay. Now the entry has been passed. The remaining amount is paid in cash. Is it clear?
Yes.
Discount, this was your loss because he has given 100 500 share at the rupees how much? 1900. So we have finished one portion. Now second portion we have to do when vendors, debtor and creditors recorded in the main book. For that we have to change little bit the journal entries also. We have to run debtor account. है ना? This was the journal. Ask current account. Bank account debit to ask current account. Here what we are doing, just look at this. First, ask debtors account due. Am I right? Ask debtors account debit to ask debtors suspense account how much? 2 lakhs. This is the entry which we have done for debtors due. Am I right? Now second entry for creditors due. Ask creditors suspense account debit to ask creditors account 75,000. Is it that much amount? 75 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
देखा आपने? हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक है. 75,000. Right? Now see how much you have realized out of this 2 lakh? 1,90,000. So bank account debit to ask debtors account 1,90,000. Same entry. Am I right or not? There is no difference at all in this. I think in 1,90,000. Now see, ask debtors suspense from to whom we are transferring this 1,90,000. Ask debtors suspense account 1,90,000 to ask current account. But I don't think that. Yes, ask or vendors current account. This entry we have done. Now see, for creditors due, how much creditors we have paid actually? Ask creditors account debit to bank account 70,000. For that, other entry will be ask current account debit to vendors creditor suspense account 70,000. This entry is the same, 4,500. No change at all. Next is debtor suspense account debit to ask debtors account 1 lakh. For that, we are going to open debtor suspense account separately to show the effect of all the journal entries. तो हमें debtor suspense account बाकी entries same है. There is no difference at all. Same. Ask current account debit to equity share 99,000 to bank 18,000 here. Interest account debit to ask current account 1,500. This 300 here है ना? So I have already explained. Last entry, how you will do the same thing whatever you have done last time. Only we have to change. That is, we have to write ask suspense account. In spite of ask current account, you are going to write ask suspense account. The remaining entry, discount debited, same. To equity share capital 1 lakh, same. And then to bank account 18,000, same. Alright. Only thing that you should know how to open and what entries will come here in ask suspense account. Ask suspense account. We are going to open the entries and we are going to record the ask suspense account. Now see, can you see any entry here ask suspense account? Here we can't see. But there are some entries which we have to put the effect. Number 1, vendors debtors account. यही है ना? यही है. If the suspense account is also required, it will appear as follows. For example, ask suspense account debit to commission. For this 4,500. The journal entry is what? Ask suspense account debit to commission 4,500. There are always two effects, है ना? 4,500 that we have written here in ask vendors account to commission account. But we are going to take all effect in ask suspense account. First effect is debtors account debit. How much? 1,25,000. How you have calculated this 1,25,000? We have to record properly. From here we have taken 1,25,000. Whatever we are doing on now next, that is based on second point only. When debtors and creditors recorded in main books of purchasing company. So how will you do? You are going to take the help of ask suspense account. What will be the journal entry? Now to we learn all journal entry by heart only. So now see first entry, ask debtors account 2 lakh, to ask creditors account 75,000, to ask suspense account 1,25,000. If you deduct, you will get this amount. If you deduct creditors out of debtors, total collection, you will get 1,25,000. You have to write over here by vendors debtors account 1,25,000. So this one thing is clear. When we are doing all these debtors and creditors, we are recording in the books of purchasing company. Now second point, when you are realizing amount, bank account debit 1,90,000, whatever discount is there, discount or loss, because you have not collected whole payment from the debtors. So this 10,000 you are going to debit to whom? To our suspense account, to vendors debtors account for bad debts. You are going to 10,000. Why? Because you could not receive 10,000 out of the total debtors. Then our creditors were 75,000. But now this is your gain. How? 70,000 you have paid, 5,000 is your gain that you have not paid this. So that will come on credit side. By vendors creditor discount, receive 5,000 from the total debtors of rupees 75,000. Is it right? Then for commission, our suspense account commission, you are getting 4,500 from R. That who is the vendor. Then suspense account, this we have clear. Interest account debit to suspense, this 1,500 already has been given. Interest account. So this is our gain. 1,500 we will write on credit side. Last entry, many times we have done. Our suspense account 1,17,000. How we are getting 1,17,000? Already you know about it. How you are getting 1,17,000? And discount on issue of shares, that is 1,000. Total equity share capital is how much? 1 lakh. 18,000 is the balancing figure. 1,17,000 कैसे आया था बताइए? 1,17,000. How you have got it? बोलो, पीछे होगा ना? क्या किया था? हाँ, टोटल कितना लेना था हमने? 1 लाख. कहाँ लिखा ये किससे मिला आपको? डिस्काउंट आर करंट अकाउंट से टोटल कितना लेना था हमने? 1,17,000. वो कैसे आया था? 99,000 for equity share capital, and the balance amount 18,000 from whom we are getting? From R only we are getting. So total is 1,17,000. We have prepared already the R current account, or when we are preparing this R suspense account, there also just see what we have. Only we have put this 18,000. Am I right? Jara? R suspense account debit. Now see 99,000 already here. 99,000. This is the balancing figure. So this is the balancing figure, right? 1,000 was discount. How? Because 1 lakh they have promises, but they have given us 10 lakh. They have promises. Am I right? And they have given us 99,000. The difference is of 1,000. So that 1,000 is also there, and 1 lakh is already there. Am I right? 1 lakh. 1 lakh तो था ना, total 1 lakh देना था, लेकिन उसमें से 1,000 नहीं दिया, 99,000. बाकी सारे अमाउंट आप डालोगे तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर आपका कितना आ रहा है? 18,000. So is it clear to all? ठीक है जी. बस अब कल एक और करवा दूंगी इसमें से, तो ये चैप्टर आपका खत्म हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट